As you can tell by the title, it's upgrade time. When I mean upgrade, we're going to be going from this factory bar, which is pretty skinny, to a much larger 19mm bar. It does come with brand new SwayBar links, bushings, nuts, bolts, everything you're going to need for this in one kit. Ordered straight from Subaru, so it should be some pretty good stuff. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take out the SwayBar link itself and then remove the bushing, because we'll no longer need that anymore. So that's the plan. So the nut to this one is a 14mm. We're just going to grab the bolt from the other side, which is right there. On the other side here, I'm just taking this out. It's pretty corroded, so that's okay. If anything, we'll hit it through with a punch. Nope, that's all I needed. And it's halfway across the car now. So yeah, it's stuck in there. Now let's do the same for the other side. SwayBar is actually held on by a 12mm. That. All right. And I'm gonna do the same for the other side. Try to keep this video as short as possible since it's a pretty simple job. So just taking a pry bar, smacking that out. Perfect. All right, and these are just held on by these hangers. It just hangs right there. I'm gonna get this one lined up. Here's your part number. Pause it if you need to. This is your new bushing to go with the larger 19mm. I think this is the same one for the 20, but don't quote me on that. I mean, if you're gonna spend this kind of money, I would just probably just go with the 20. I don't know. I guess it all depends how stiff you want the rear end, I guess. Same for this side. It just opens up right there. There we go. All right, just gonna rotate it backwards. Cone faces you. Now, here's your new stabilizer bar link. They say they're upgraded. I don't know the difference, but you can't see it on camera, so the whole link will be in the description. Here it is. Very nice. It does come with a new nut. We'll put this right here so we don't lose it. And it comes with this bolt. Now you do got to reuse the, is it welded on? No. All right, so you do got to reuse the other bolt that came with the, that's on this lower control arm. So. Oh. If I don't put this back the same way, you guys are gonna just tear me a new one. So that'll go like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side once I find that nut and put it back on there. Like this. Do the same for the other side. I hung this side, now I'm gonna go hang the other side so it stops falling on me. Everything pretty much set where it should be. I am going to lock this in. So there's that. Now with the rest of this, I want to go ahead and put the vehicle at ride height. That way I can lock everything in so it kind of tightens up the rear, and I'll show you here in a second. So I have to lower the control arm, actually jacked up to make it pretty much simulate if the tires were on the ground. I'm taking a 14mm and locking everything in. That's tight. Now let's get these bushings tightened up. Okay. Perfect there. So tight, tight, tight. Do the same for the other side. Got the other side all locked in. So now I'm going to lower it slowly. Your SwayBar and your SwayBar link. That's all you got to do. And there you have it. Yep, it's all in there. It's got, like I said, new bushings. Everything's brand new. So hopefully it gives him a little stiffer rear end when he's off-roading. I am going to suggest new struts because these are rusted almost all the way through. And I started noticing when I was jacking up and down the lower control arm, it wasn't a smooth compression. It was a jerk, 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 jerk. So that's not good. These should be nice and smooth. So, okay, hope you liked this video. If you do, like, subscribe. If you're looking for some high quality LEDs for this vehicle or any other vehicle that you own, check out in the description. There's a link and there's a referral code you could use, get a discount, and some really high quality LEDs, some of the brightest on the market. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.